we are utilizing the AI models to provide the comprehensive analysis on this particular aspect. It's not only a technical analysis, we also combine the technical analysis and then financial analysis, and then other than these two, we also considering the any trending news on the specific market or stock, right? We combine these all three analysis, and then we'll provide in the comprehensive analysis for the trader. So this is it's not a real application or really using application. So just a pilot program. So I have a thought on that one, how we can make it easier for the new traders or the beginner traders to understand this different kind of analysis and that. So as part of that one, so um, I I have used the I have took the help of the AI powered coding assistants to create application from end to end. So enter this process of development or starting in checklist for the local. I haven't tried a single line of the code in the entire development process. So what I have used is I initially, like whatever the requirement I do have, I created some kind of a raw requirements. From the raw requirements, I took the help of the Cloud desktop. So I generated the implementation plan with the help of like my instructions here, what kind of tools needs to be used. For me, like I clearly mentioned that Python is like a primary programming language. So AI models are Ollama, because I choose Ollama because if you choose any SaaS models, so it have rate limit, and then you need to subscribe to that kind of API access and all. But right now, like to do this kind of a use case, I choose the Ollama. I already installed the Llama in my local, and then I clearly mentioned that to bring up this user interface, I have used the Streamlit, which is very easily you can do the applications quickly. So these are the three primary things I mentioned. One, like AI model is the Llama, and then the primary programming language is the Python, and then UI is the Streamlit. So in the behind the database, it will use the SQLite for the store the data. So I clearly mentioned my set of requirements along with what have to do with this one, right? As part of this analysis, I have used a different kind of a technical indicators. I'll go through in detail in the later part of the video. But right now, like I'm just highlighting the how I utilize the AI powered coding assistance to generate these kind of applications. It's not like a simple hello world program. It's like a medium complexity application. So enter this journey. I haven't used any my experience of writing coding. Rather, I completely rely on the AI coding assistance to create all this code. So basically, like what it will do, for initially it will apply some technical analysis, and then it will go on the use the financial data, and then it will also collect the news from the different data sources, and then it combines all this data, and then we feed to the AI model Llama. Then Llama will give you the comprehensive analysis on this one. So primarily to use this data, I have used the Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is the best for free open source. You can get the historical data. So to build this kind of application, all we need to care about the historical data. Based on historical data, we can predict the trend, and then we can also predict the prices, and then it will tell you like whether it can be buy strong buy or moderate buy or bearish market, bullish market. Everything it will tell you like as part of this application usage. I will tell you how to utilize the power of the AI. So if you look at my UI, so this is like a home page. So if you look at the navigation, you have a dashboard and then Spark Scanner. I'll explain you about the Spark Scanner later. And then there is a kind of a individual analysis. Individual analysis will give you the each stocks information, and then there is a bulk scanner. I will explain you the bulk scanner, what is the importance of bulk scanner, and then there is settings. Here settings we will set the expectations to what kind of model you are going to use, and then you can also have like how many workers need to work, and then there is a technical analysis. For the technical analysis, we have used different kind of indicators like primarily RSI, those things. So those settings you can set it here. So now let's focus on the core feature is the individual stock analysis. So what it does, right? Whatever the stock you are interested, you can provide the ticker symbol. For example, I'm interested with Apple, so I'm just providing Apple ticker here, and then I click on analyze. So once you click on analyze, internally it will apply the it will fetch the data from the Yahoo Finance, and then it will apply the set of indicators what I advised. So basically, as part of the technical indicators, there are there are plenty of technical indicators I used. So I have used that technical indicators, and along with the time frames, like there are different time frames. If you guys have idea about the stock market or how to do the trading, there are time frames is a concept. So they are applying the different time frames as along with the some set of indicators. From that one, it will generate some basic set of data points with respect to the technical analysis, and then later it will go and fetch the financial data. From the financial data, it will see the like a financial health and everything, and then it will also go and fetch the set of the trending news related to the market. At the same time, it also related to specific stock. So then it will get all the information from the data sources. We have a technical indicator details, and we have a financial details, and we have the news related details, and then all together will feed to the AI model. So finally, AI model will generate the comprehensive analysis. So now I have clicked that stock analyze button. So now it will take some time to generate this stuff. So meanwhile, like we'll wait for a response for it generate. So now if I look at here, so ultimately like what we are going to do, we give the AA score out of 100, like we are giving the score for like what is the strength of final analysis, and then we give the signals like buy or sell or strong buy or these kind of signals, and then we'll provide in current price and then current RSI, how much it is at what point the RSI is. So if you look at the technical analysis, it will provide the price action along with the set of indicators, technical indicators like EMA 20, EMA 50, and EMA 200, and then volume indicator. So if you look at here, this is the price action with the moving averages, and then this is a volume related indicator, and then this is the RSA related graph. So now if you look at trading signals, it will saying like it's like a bullish kind of a signal in the strong buy by a score. And if you look at this like reason like weekly uptrend, daily bullish setups, and a confirmation. So now the beauty of this one is like it will apply the different kind of time frames, and it will tell you like a possible support and resistance analysis. So if you look at here, like these are the set of support levels, and then these are the set of resistance level, like where it can reject the price and all. And then there are also like different time demand zone one, and then demand zone two, and then supply zone and supply zone one and supply zone two, like the people providing the details. So this is like overall technical analysis, and then if you look at the company overview, it will tell you like what is the market cap, and then the value, and then employees. These are like basic information, and then as part of the financial metric, it will give you like the return on equity, ROA, different set of parameters or attribute, and liquidity, leverage, and then valuation, and the growth kind of a thing. And then as part of the financial health, it will tell you like what is the final financial scores, applying those details. It will tell you the financial scores, and then peer comparison, it will also check with the other competitors and all. And then financial forecast, it will tell you like what is the growth, annual growth on the revenue, at the same time EPS related stuff. This is pretty much important details for the analysis. Now important thing is news analysis. What news analysis will do, when you click on the news analysis, it will go and fetch the different set of data sources, news from the different data sources, and then it will finally generate the comprehensive data here. So trading a recommendation for trading signal is hold, and then confidence score, and so these values I can revisit, but right now it may and discrepancy be patient, and we'll set it later. But this is overall idea, right? You can see the details here. Now, like as part of the AI analysis, it will provide you like a final analysis based on the different articles, what it has gone through, like a news impact assessment, market sentiment, risk analysis, opportunity of analysis, timeline consolidation, and then trading recommendations, and We are recommending buying Apple stock with the target price 150 per share. The strong demand of new iPhone 17 and all. The stop loss can be like 140 and all. Um, our analysis says Apple stock has a strong upside potential. So this is the information you can see here. And then similarly, like if I sentiment, it will give you key factors, news and articles. This is where like I'm talking about the multiple articles we fetch from the different kind of a data source here. So look at here each top 10 articles from here, and then market context here, and then A analysis. Finally, what it will do, like it will generate the comprehensive analysis on what is the final take on this. So this is just like sample application. I'm going to correct or improve much more on this specific task, specific application. So definitely like it's worthy of using AI powered coding assistance to create some kind of really like complex, even I can say like medium to complex applications. So I really love this as part of the developing this application. So if you look at what kind of prompt I have used, this is my prompt. If you look at here, this prompt, this is the set of requirement I gave it here. So this is also coming from the raw data I gave it to the cloud REST and generated this one. And then finally I use the Llama model. If you look at here, I already started my Llama. So Llama, each time like when the analysis happen, then it go, if you see like it will request into the Llama to get the AI response from the Llama. So that's it. I'm really like enjoying this process of learning and then implementing. If you look at the code, this is my code, and then this is my cloud code. I started in my IDE, then I gave you all the requirements here. If you look at here, and keep working with the cloud code to generate whatever um, output I wanted. So yes, this is pretty easy, and then if you have a real clarity on what needs to be developed and then the clarity on the requirement, then definitely it's worth to use this AI powered coding assistance to complete your application development. So I'm going to provide you like a more details on like how to use this cloud code, and then how to create this. I'll take the, like some of the other use cases, and then I'll show you like end to end. So my primary goal in this particular video is to showcase you like how I am able to creating like a kind of medium complex use case with the cloud code. So this is what the output. I'm really amazed with this one. I think you maybe see some kind of a data discrepancy, but I'm going to fix the data discrepancy by checking with the application, and then I'll work with the cloud code to fix those issues. I see like there are several places you see some data points or some problem. So now let's go back to stock scanner. The stock scanner will give you like there are three different set of stocks you can bulk scanner. You can give you like if you pick the set of stocks, what can be a very bullish mode and bearish mode. So S&P 500, it will only scan the S&P 500 stocks. If you click on this one, it will scan for 500 stock, S&P 500 stocks, and then it will pick the top picks. So if you look at here, like it's a scan result. If you see here, like the price, and then A is full, and then signal, strong buy or this kind of thing, trend alignment, and then value ratio, RSI, daily trend like weekly trend, and then confidence, and then timestamp on that. So you can export the data. So this is for the bulk scan. You can also scan for the finished parts. The same applies to all the technical indicators and everything it is applied and generate the data. That is for stock scanner. So for me, uh, Individual analysis is very important when the core feature is this one. So there is a box there is a task, underlying it will implement the different set of indicators, and then based on each indicator that will give you some set of scores. Based on the indicators it will give you the score. That's it. So dashboard will tell you like overall it's top 10 years post related strong signals, and then total stock scan, and then hours, hours for daily stocks, and then A is code distribution. Yeah, this is for the application. So for me, I like this is very, I like very much this one because this will be like a time which will generate the analysis such a way. Let's see for the another system. This is very good with Ollama. It will have the same sound. Just it here. So this is a column. Now let's look at the final overview. I'm not sure what's in the news. Let's do fetching. Then let's look at the overview.